You might have experienced that whenever you are going to WikiLeaks page, appeal in red and white appears, which is requesting Indian people to donate some amount. The amount is as less as rupees 150 to 5,000. The question is, why Wikipedia is asking for donation? Hello friends, my name is O.P. Singh and you are watching Filmy Buzz with O.P. Wikipedia was created by Jimmy Wales and Larry Sanger and it was launched on 15 January 2001. There are 280 employees and 250,000 global volunteers working for Wikipedia. Wikipedia is one of the top 10 websites in the world, and there are 90% chances whenever you are going to Google and you are searching for any subject, 90% the top one will be Wikipedia. Friends, you know that Wikipedia don't run any advertisement on their page. So what is their source of income? Nothing. Only donation from the readers. And that's why they are asking for donation. The donation Wikipedia generates through such donations that they are just keeping the server running, just ensuring that it is safe also. Let's see that what is there in the appeal. On the red and white appeal, it is appearing on any Wikipedia page, what it is exactly written. Hi reader in India, it's seen you use Wikipedia a lot. That's great. This is the second appeal we have shown you. It is awkward, but this Sunday we need your help. We don't have salespeople. We depend on donations from exceptional readers, but fewer than 2% give. If you donate just rupees 150 or whatever you can this Sunday, Wikipedia could keep thriving. Thank you. Please select a payment method: Visa, MasterCard, RuPay, and net banking, UPI and Paytm. This way they are asking for donation, and this is the only sources from where they are getting money. As they have to pay their employees, they have to maintain the website, they have to keep the server running. So many things. Wikipedia is free online encyclopedia and it is very helpful for anybody, those who are regularly using internet. Anything you are searching on Google, 95% chances are there, the first page will be Wikipedia. Wikipedia is full of information. That is the only free online encyclopedia which is very useful for students, businessmen, engineers, doctors, whatever, whoever is searching anything, you will get the information there in Wikipedia. And recently people were worrying why those who have not seen it earlier, such request, such appeal, Wikipedia has made in 2019 also, because that is the only way they can earn some money, and very few people, as you have seen that here they have written that very few people are donating. In my personal view, if we are using such good information from Wikipedia regularly, and for everything we depend on Wikipedia, so we can pay 150 or 200 or 300 or up to 500, whatever amount you like, you can pay it. And it is up to you. If you don't want to pay, don't pay. But don't worry, they are not going to stop. They are not going to black out. They will be there. Wikipedia will be there. It will be running. And it is not that Wikipedia is requesting for money only from Indians. They are asking to all other countries where this Wikipedia is used a lot. And you will be surprised that in 2019 there were 771 millions, more than that, visitors were there, those who have visited Wikipedia pages.
Wikipedia, on the other hand, begins with a very radical idea. And that's for all of us to imagine a world in which every single person on the planet is given free access to the sum of all human knowledge, and that's what we're doing.
Friends, if you like this, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.